gentlemen. My name is Rita Józsa. I am from Hungary, from the company Green Man. We have several great results using the SCD probiotic technology in agriculture, human health, animal health, and environmental saving applications. But now I would like to show you three examples. One is wastewater treatment, the second is an odor control application, and the third one is companion animal health. One of our successful projects is a wetland wastewater cleaning system project. This is in an eco-village in Hungary. This village has about 120 residents. They have common houses, they have school, agriculture, animal husbandry, and so on, and they try to live in sustainable life. This is why they were thinking on find out some biological solution to resolve the wastewater problems. And they built a special wetland wastewater cleaning system. This is a root cane cleaning system. They built in 2008 and started to use in 2009. The wastewater arrives to this plant in gravitational way, and then after the sedimentation, this goes to 3 parallel wetland cells. Probably you know, but this kind of wetland cells works with flowing the wastewater through the root of the cane. And this is 3 parallel cells, so this was the reason why we could do this trial. They find out that they will spray the third one with 2 times a week with 0.4 liters per 100 square meter. And they measured chemical oxygen demand, biological oxygen demand, total nitrogen, total phosphor, and suspended solids. Here you can see the 3 pipes in above. So this is how we could put separate samples from each wetland cells. There is the lagoon. This is 2,000 cubic meters, and they store the wastewater there for 150 days. So the retention time is quite good, and then they use it for irrigating several plants, for example, populus energy trees. On this diagram, you can see the chemical oxygen demand data. These are averages for different measurements during 14 months. You can see here the data of the raw wastewater, the sedimented wastewater, the control cell, treated cell, and clean wastewater. The threshold limit is 50 milligrams per liter. So you can see that only on the treated cell is about the threshold limit. And you can check that the cleaned water from the collection pond has a little bit higher COD. The reason is that, of course, there is not only the treated water, but the water from the other untreated 2 cells. In this diagram, you can see the total suspended solids, the biological oxygen demand, and total nitrogen and total phosphate. The second blue one is the probiotic treated wastewater. We can see that the effectiveness of this wetland wastewater plant is quite good. But these data are above the threshold limits. So this community find out that they will start to use the technology not only to treat one wetland cell, but they want to use it in their houses and in their buildings. So we are planning to use as soon as we can the probiotics in this field. And the final conclusion is that those wastewater which comes from the treated cells are the efficiency 3 times more, and the data are 3 times better than the untreated ones. Second project is an odor control in a communal landfill. This is in Veszprém in Hungary. There are about 60,000 residents, and there is a lot of complaints because the malodors. Here you can see the map of the landfill. This is the body of the landfill, and there are leachate collection pipes under the landfill, and there is a main collection pipe which goes to a lagoon. The problem is that there are checking holes everywhere where the collection pipes join into the main pipe, and these collection holes looks like this, and the malodors came from this. We were discussing with SED, with Matthew, and with Margarita, and we find out that probably the solution could be the bokashi. Here you can see how an open checking hole looks like. There is the liquid, the leachate, and we find out to put a metal net above the liquid, and we put a bag into this net and fill with bokashi. And there was no more complaint, so we could filter the gases, and it works. Our next step will be to treat this leachate collection pond, because at the moment there is no malodor problems, but we would like to step one step forward the next problem. So we are planning to treat with SCD probiotics this water. This is 1,050 cubic meter leachate collection pond. And another possibility that they use in every week 40 cubic meters to spray back into the landfill body. So this is a good opportunity for us to treat the whole body of the landfill. The third issue that I would like to show you now is several cases of healing animals and pets. Here you can see dogs with serious skin problems before and after pictures. These animals were treated with veterinaries earlier, and there was not really successful results. And the owners were very happy that after the SCD probiotics treatment, their animal became healthy. This is a skin problem on a pony. This pony was also treated with veterinary before they recognized our technology, and you can see there was no any result. But after 2 and 4 weeks treatment, the pony skin became healthy. So the whole family were very happy. Probably you remember the red sludge disaster. This was in last year, October. Yeah. And in this case, 1 million cubic meter of very causative and very low alkaline, very high alkaline red sludge flooded some parts of 3 villages. And more people died and a lot of injured, and of course a lot of animals died and injured. And the main veterinary hospital on that area started to use our products, and they could help a lot to the injured animals because especially because it was an alkalite wounds and injury. So our products could help a lot. Here you can see before and after pictures. And they use the diluted form directly into the skin and into the wounds. I would like to say thank you to SCD for providing us this beautiful technology. We can help to solve serious problems. We can offer chemical-free solutions and we can support the sustainable living. And as green men, we can be really green. So thank you for your attention.